fire in the hole. Alright. One second. I'm ready when you are. Take her when you're ready. One on the right. Eh. Take her. Right in the chest. Good shot. Stay on our property. Stay on our property. Oh, darn it. You definitely hit her. She jumped straight up in the air. Oh no, there they go over there. Uh-oh. Did you see one tail or two? One. That's good if we only saw one.
I was looking at him through the scope. I couldn't figure out which one was the mom and which one.
Mom was on the right. You shot the correct one. Let's go. Okay. Action. Saw a deer. All right, let's head over to the scene of crime, see if we can find any blood.
I bet there's some blood down there.
There has to be. All right, there wasn't much blood until I got right here. But you can see she jumped this log and there's blood everywhere. But we are not allowed over there, so I'm waiting to get permission. So we'll touch base in a second. All right, we're losing light pretty fast, but we just got permission. The owner said we could come over and scoop her up real quick. Look right here, Z. I know it's gonna be hard to see, but there's blood everywhere. Where'd she go? Blood here. Oh, it's just spraying, buddy. Blood. She turned right.
I think I see her, maybe.
You have her?
Maybe.
I'll let you go first. You can see the blood's right here. Oh, that's her. Yeah, let's go. Go ahead, you go first. Heck yeah. There's blood everywhere now, buddy. Oh, that's a whammo. There she is. Piled up on the road. Heck yeah, dude. I think they would have found her if they didn't give us permission.
Think so?
Yeah. Get you some. Heck yeah, brother. Way to go. I love it when a plan comes together.
Yes, sir.
Steelers 27-22 and a dead deer.
Let's go, baby.
That
Happy Sunday.
is a good day. All right, let's get her over to the course and we'll go do the dirty work and do an exit interview.
Let's do it.
All right.
Welcome to Rifle Hunting with Skirb and my nephew, codename Z-Man,
Cuffman.
the Cuff Man. We came out tonight. This is day 9 of the season. Me and him sat all morning for like 4 hours and we saw 0 deer. So we decided to take the afternoon off, come back out here in the evening, and we were only sitting here for, I don't know, maybe a half an hour. And Z-Man saw one over a little knoll, went behind some arborvitaes, so I got the great idea, and I said, let's make this Western. So we got up and tried to go down there and attack this deer, and halfway down she busted us. So we crawled back to our seats, got on the stick, she came around for a look, and that was a look she shouldn't have came around for, because Z put the smackdown on her and got his first deer of the season. So I hope you guys enjoyed the show, and we'll see you sometime real soon from the deer woods. Take care.